Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is the video, the new one I got and the old one. And if you can see the old one, you can see a little rust on it. You can see, just look, both from the top and under it there is a rust. And if you check this very well, you can see it's very clean with no rust. So this is the new one I bought, and the reason why the other one rust is the water dropping from here, and it drops down to my selector, so it's got into, yeah, this is how it fixed. You can see I fix it back and connect the stuff together, and I've already tested this and it works so fine, like it works so good. So this is the old one. So if you're having issue with your gears not moving from park, or maybe it's not selecting, or maybe you try to put it in drive and it's not moving, this is what you should change from your Honda stroke Acura car. Okay, so I hope with this, I hope you can fix yours, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, catch you up in my next video.